You're sitting at the family dinner table, the clink of dishes fading into a heavy silence. Someone you love, maybe a child, a friend, or even a spouse, looks through you, their words sharp, dismissive, as if your years of wisdom mean nothing. After 60, this sting isn't just hurt, it's a betrayal, a signal that your value is slipping away in their eyes. But there's a secret they don't want you to know, a simple trick and 7 powerful tips to reclaim the respect you deserve. I'm here to pull you down the rabbit hole, to awaken you to truths that can shift how the world sees you, and how you see yourself. This isn't about begging for respect, it's about commanding it. Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal could change your relationships forever. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's uncover this together. The first tip is the simple trick: set boundaries with quiet strength. When someone stops valuing you, it's often because they've grown too comfortable crossing lines, interrupting, dismissing, or expecting your time without gratitude. After 60, you've earned the right to say no. Studies from the Journal of Social Psychology show that clear boundaries increase respect in relationships by 30%. Picture this: your adult child snaps at you for offering advice. Instead of shrinking, you calmly say, "I'd like us to speak respectfully, or we can talk later." No anger, just firmness. Practice this in a mirror first. Your tone matters. Write down your non-negotiables. No yelling, no ignoring your input. If they push, walk away or change the subject. This isn't punishment, it's teaching. The secret is consistency. Apply it every time. The world wants you to stay silent, to accept disrespect as aging, but I'm here to say, your voice is your power. Try it this week. One boundary, one moment. Can you feel the shift already? Let's dive deeper. The second tip is to redefine your worth through action, not words. After 60, people may undervalue you because they see you as retired from influence, but you're not done, you're just beginning. The American Psychological Association says seniors who engage in meaningful activities report 25% higher self-esteem, which commands respect. Don't beg for attention, show your value. Volunteer at a local shelter, teach a skill like knitting or woodworking, or start a blog sharing your life's lessons. Picture yourself mentoring a young neighbor, their eyes wide with admiration. If mobility limits you, write letters to family, sharing stories only you know. Small actions, like organizing a book club or fixing a grandchild's toy, remind others you're vital. The secret: your worth isn't what they say, it's what you do. The system wants you to fade, but I'm pulling you into the spotlight. Act, create, contribute. Pick one action today, maybe a call to a community center. Are you ready for more? The third tip is mastering the art of active listening to flip the dynamic. When someone dismisses you, it's often because they feel unheard themselves. After 60, your experience makes you a natural listener, but use it strategically. Research shows that active listening, nodding, paraphrasing, asking questions, increases mutual respect by 40%. Picture a tense coffee date with a friend who brushes you off. Instead of arguing, lean in, say, "Tell me more about what's stressing you." Reflect their words. "It sounds like work's been tough." They'll soften, seeing you as an ally, not a target. Practice this. Eye contact, no interrupting, a gentle nod. If they still disrespect you, calmly restate your boundary. The secret is this: listening disarms, then elevates your voice. The world wants you to feel invisible, but I'm here to say, your ears are your strength. Try this in your next conversation. Can you see the respect growing? Let's keep going. The fourth tip is owning your story with unapologetic pride. Your 60, 70, or 80 years aren't a liability. They're a badge of resilience. People devalue you when they forget your depth, but you can remind them. Studies from the National Institute on Aging show that storytelling boosts seniors' social influence by 20%. Share your life's triumphs casually, a job you aced, a crisis you survived, a love you nurtured. Picture this: at a family gathering, when someone cuts you off, you smile and say, "That reminds me of when I rebuilt our car engine in '75. No boasting, just truth. Write down 3 stories that define you. Practice them. If tech's your thing, record a video for your grandkids. The secret. Your past isn't old news, it's power. The system wants you to stay quiet, but I'm pulling you into your legacy. Speak your truth. Share one story this week. Are you feeling the fire yet? The 5th tip is cultivating new connections to surround yourself with respect. If family or old friends dismiss you, seek those who see your worth. AARP data shows seniors with diverse social circles report 30% less loneliness and higher self-respect. Join a local senior center, a church group, or an online forum for hobbies like gardening or history. Picture yourself at a community event, laughing with new friends who value your insights. If mobility's an issue, use Zoom for virtual meetups, free and easy. Be selective. Avoid toxic people who drain you. The secret is this: you choose your circle, not them. Volunteer to share your skills. Teaching breeds respect. The world wants you to feel stuck with ungrateful people, but I'm here to say, new voices lift you up. Reach out to one new person this month. Can you see the possibilities? 2 more tips await. The 6th tip is presenting yourself with intention, because appearance shapes perception. After 60, people may judge you as past your prime, based on outdated stereotypes, but a polished look commands respect. Studies show that well-groomed seniors are perceived as 25% more competent. You don't need wealth, just care. Wear clean, simple clothes that fit well. A pressed shirt or a favorite scarf works wonders. Picture yourself walking into a room, head high, hair neat, a quiet confidence radiating. Keep a small grooming kit: comb, mirror, mints. If arthritis makes buttons tricky, try adaptive clothing with magnets. Smile, it's your secret weapon. Research says it boosts likability. The system wants you to fade into the background, but I'm here to pull you forward. Your presence is your statement. Update one part of your look this week. Maybe a new sweater. Are you ready for the final tip? The 7th tip is embracing forgiveness, but not weakness, to reclaim your peace. Resentment from being undervalued poisons you, not them. After 60, letting go is your power move. Studies show forgiveness reduces stress in seniors by 20%, freeing energy for respect building. Picture this: someone snaps at you, but instead of stewing, you say, "I know you're stressed, let's try again." It's not excusing rudeness, it's choosing your battles. Write a letter to someone who hurt you. Don't send it, just release the weight. If they won't change, limit contact calmly, no drama. Focus on those who value you. The secret: forgiveness isn't for them, it's for your freedom. The world wants you to carry grudges, but I'm here to say, let go, stand tall. Try this. Forgive one slight today, feel the lightness. Share your story in the comments. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's keep this fight for respect alive together.